You are about to review a recording of the desktop within MyWay. The main purpose of the desktop is to give the ability for a user, such as the doctor or nurse or even front desk, the ability where they can see everything electronic. The benefit of the doctor is think about what happens when a doctor arrives in the morning. What are they typically going to see on their desk? They're going to probably see a list of their appointments that they have for the day. They're going to see post-it notes or sticky notes of messages from other people within the system. And then they're going to see probably a stack full of charts of things that they haven't completed or things that they need to have completed today. One of the huge benefits of this screen is the ability to customize a screen per each user. We know that a doctor will not want to look at the same information that a nurse or a front desk would, so each user can customize this screen to get the information that they want to. You'll note on the left-hand side where we have the ability to see a calendar. So here's where we can see all of the visits for the doctor. On the right-hand side is going to be our messages. So we just broke them down to categories. So as a nurse, I can see a list that I have 4 RX refills that I actually need to take care of. So I can track each of those and build any type of filter that I need to. In the lower right is where I can see all of my incomplete notes. So as a provider or as a clinician, I have the ability to come in here, I can open these incomplete notes, finish documentation, and sign off on them. One of the easy ways to customize this desktop is you have the ability to go up to your ribbon menu where it says Tools. From Tools, you can go into Configure My Desktop. Now, one of the nice things is you can have this screen as very broad or as very general as you need it to. So example is I have the ability to see up to 3 columns, and then each of these columns I can choose what I want to see. So for example, I have my calendar on the left-hand side. You'll note that you have the ability to have a secondary control. What this will do is this gives you the ability where you can see information behind the screen, so it gives you additional information that might not be the most important, but it might be something that you want to see. I'm going to cancel out of here and just show you an example. As a front desk person, we have the ability where if we have people on a waiting list that need to be seen for our last minute cancellations, at any time I can come in here and choose my secondary view. You'll see how it automatically switches that screen so I can get as much information on this screen as I need to.